Oh, I longing to love you just for a night, kissing and hugging and holding you tight. Please let me love you all my life. The reasons that we're here, the reasons that we feel our feelings won't disappear. Oh, and after the love game has been played, all our illusions will just separate, and all the reasons start to fade. I'm done. I can't, but I really like this song a whole lot though. Y'all don't understand. It's one of my favorite songs for him.